Hi guys! In today's video, as you see on my face, I'll be doing this really nice glam slash vamp slash edgy halo black gold eye type situation. I absolutely love it so much. I love the dramaticness of it, and it's something new that I never did on my channel before, so I'm really happy to show you guys today how to do it. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up as well. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and follow me on my social media. They'll be right here on the screen as well in the description box down below. And if you want to know how I did this look, then just keep on watching. So as you see over here, I did this eye off camera to just save a little bit of time, you know. So right now I'm going to do the same eye. The same as this eye over on this eye. So first of all, it's time to use the concealer, which I already found. Okay, this is the Bourjois Paris Healthy Mix, and I'll just apply it all over my lid at first. Just prime the lid.
How on earth does this product still exist?
I have no idea, but it's really getting empty. So wow, the birds are doing really interesting noises.
They're trying to sing for the audience.
I'm gonna take this brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use this flat side, and there's also a fluffy side to blend it out. Using this palette by Huda Beauty. This is the Rose Gold eyeshadow palette. This brush again, the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I'm going to take this fluffy side, and I'm going to dip in the shade Cocoa. And since this is a halo eye, we're going to be applying all over the everywhere on the lid except on the center. Don't apply anything on the center of the eye. I'm first going to tap it, and then I'm going to blend it in the end. And then blend over it, and don't apply anything in the middle. Using the Catrice, the Fresh Nude palette. And I'll be taking the lightest beige matte shade with this brush to blend everything out. Now I'll be taking the dark brown shade, applying it in the inner corner as well in the outer corner. And blend it on top. Again, I'll be using this brush, and I'll be taking the light beige shade again to blend everything out. Again, and I'll be using the black shade, which is called Black Truffle, with this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. And again, I'm applying it in the inner corner, then in the outer corner, and then on top over here in the middle in the crease. And this look is very important to keep tapping and then blend it out. It just brings out the most pigment. Now I'll be taking the black shade again and I'll applying it in the lower lash line. Just in the middle, just halfway through the lower lash line, don't apply it all over the lower lash line. Now after you've done with the matte, it's time for the glitter. I absolutely love glitter so much. Okay, so
Your forehead.
I'll be using right now this pencil brush. And with the same Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to take the shade called #blessed. And I'm going to take my water and I'll just spray it on top to give us the more pigment. And now we're going to apply it only in the middle of the eye. Oh wow. I'll be taking this felt tip eyeliner called Dynamic. I'll just put a line close to my lash line. I will not wing it or anything. I'll just do it so when I apply my lash it will give me a dramatic look. That I'll be taking this pencil duo and I will be putting this black side underneath the waterline. And I'll take their real mascara by. Okay guys, so after I've done both of my eyes and they are done, right now it's time to do my eyebrows. So I'll be taking the Catrice the Fresh Nude palette again. I'll be taking the darkest brown with this angled brush. Now I'll fill in my eyebrows with the darkest brown shade.
Tell your hair is.
I'm just filling it very, very lightly. I'm not doing anything strong or anything like that. I'm just filling in the empty spots. So after I filled my eyebrows, now I'm going to take their Surreal mascara again, and I will put it on my eyebrows.
Since when did you start upping up your eyebrow game?
Well, I decided so.
I see, look at the camera, looks like you technically did nothing.
But in real life, I made a little difference. So I'm gonna be taking my Bourjois Healthy Mix concealer again. I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge. It's damp, so yeah. Make sure to use your beauty sponge damp. Never ever use a beauty sponge that is dry. I've done the concealer and I'm going to apply the powder, as you know, my usual baby powder. And I'll apply it with my beauty sponge.
We don't have any
Touch the real powder.
Okay. Can I fart real quick?
Yeah.
Ah, this sucks. I don't want to toot all day. I'll just look in because I am.
Oof, I feel like you're happy that you are shining.
Yeah, I'm just shook. I'm shook because I look happy. But I ain't. Come on, do what you like to learn from Nutella, come on. Basically, this was my juice.
By Catrice again. And I'll be taking the Sculpt shade.
Do you need help with that? Oh.
Thank you. I'll be taking this triangular brush. Guys, look what happened to me. See, as you see, my nails are long, and then this one broke yesterday. Look at the difference of the thumbs. Why? But you know what?
Tragedy alert.
What?
Tragedy alert.
Yeah, I was really sad, but I'm just gonna grow back. What should I do right now? I'm not gonna cut all of my nails because I love them so
Just
much.
apply a thick nail to it.
Yeah, maybe. I'm just gonna contour my face to make it slim and snatched.
Look like a fishy. That is a lot of contour.
This is a dramatic look.
I know. But still, that looks like a lot. This is pigmented. I am prude of you.
Blush Duo by Catrice Cosmetics. I'm going to be taking this huge fluffy brush.
Blush brush.
Blush brush.
Tongue twister.
Yes. Work.
Not highlighted.
Really?
Oh, it looks glossy. That's why I said glossier.
Oh. I absolutely love. I really like when I have the glossy look. So.
Dewy.
Ooh, yeah. I like when I'm dewy, by the way. But not like when I'm
Oily.
No.
Greasy.
Not when I'm dewy, oily, greasy. When I'm dewy, glowing, sun-kissed, stuff like that. But
Oh.
yeah, the lettering is a little scratched, but this is a very gorgeous nude type of shade, which I absolutely really love. And I'll just pop it on my lips. I feel like with this look, it really needs like a glossy lip. Right, for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really like this look. Tell me in the comments down below what do you think of this look. As well, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to follow my Instagram right here on the screen, as well as in the description box down below. I love you all so much, and bye bye.